what's collectibles.
I'm Kallie.
And I'm Kinslee. And today we have 2 Heat Miser sodas and 2 packages that we received in the mail. Let's get into it!
Kinslee, how about we do the sodas first?
Okay, so put these off to the side.
Okay.
And here, you can go first with your soda.
Okay.
Can you help?
No, I got it.
So, I have no idea what the chase is. It looks like it is holding nothing. So,
Here's a comment.
and
Kinslee, can you help me, please? I don't know if we can open it.
Oh, okay, there you go.
Okay, let's put this on.
Wait.
No looking. Like, I did everything.
Maybe you guys see all
Wait, special kiss and shake.
Okay, open it up.
No looking, trying to peek.
I'm not peeking.
Hey, you're looking on the table.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's see. Take it out.
Just the common,
right? Oh yeah, it's the common.
and him, the common, is holding the fire. And the hair is
Really cool.
fire. Really cool though.
Okay.
Like matches like little fire.
Yeah. So we have one
We
over
still-
there still.
Yeah, but it doesn't
So
look like the
probably,
same.
I don't know if we're gonna sell this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. We are.
Oh, no, the color.
But you don't always
Okay.
get the chase, right?
Yeah. Just put that off to the side for now.
And then hey, don't drop the rubbish. Okay. I
Okay.
hope this one is
Put this
not
aside.
hard.
Okay. That just popped right open.
No looking.
I don't know, guys. I don't
I
know.
don't know. I think it's gonna be the chase, but I don't know. No looking. Let's get this chase already.
Chase.
Don't feel. Okay.
How
Don't
can I
feel.
feel? Okay, here. Ready, set, go.
Just the common.
Okay, and then I think that's already sold. Yeah, just the common.
Okay.
Okay, just put it over there, I guess.
Okay.
Okay, let's open up the 2 packages.
Which one should we do first?
I don't know.
I think we should do this one.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Let's put this one to the side. Oh.
Okay, wait.
It's bubble wrap.
Let me take it all.
Wrapping.
Whoa. Oh, I just slided right open.
Wow. Okay, no peeking, vlog. Okay, was that mine or yours?
This is just all of ours.
Oh!
Ooh, here, that's to the side.
It's
Oh, this is a cool one. This is from Camp Fun Days.
and
this
that's
is Shaggy. And that's Freddy Funko.
what his
Yeah.
pretty cool.
So be very careful and put it to the side. Okay.
You want me to put it in the box? No, right?
No. Okay, let's open this one up.
I don't know what next one it is.
Okay, we gotta be very careful with these. Okay, gotta move it over. You can see Kallie. Ooh, I have no idea who this is, but I know it's a Freddy Funko. Okay. Okay, let's move these into the center. Okay, so Kallie, which one was your favorite of these?
I needed to go first.
Okay, so I like the Camp Fun Days because I never been camping and I love Scooby Doo and yeah. What was your favorite, Kallie?
Scooby-Doo. I have to do with it because I like the sandwich. It's like a pattern. And I like Scooby. And that's
You know
all
what? This is not Scooby. This is Shaggy. Okay.
Scooby-Doo.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.